Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to be discussing the truth about getting website traffic in 2026. My name's Seeley Clark. I'll be your video guide throughout the course of this video. Please watch this video all the way through. I truly believe it can help you. And if you like this video and you found it valuable, please don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with someone else who also needs to see it. And don't forget to mash that bell icon so you can see more videos from me going forward. Now, as I said, the truth about getting website traffic in 2026 simply is that you probably don't have enough website traffic. Now, I don't mean that as a knock. It's just how this works. Because most folks think a handful of clicks tells them something. They'll send 10, 20, maybe 50 visitors to their website. Excuse me. So they'll send, 50 visitors and nothing happens. And then they throw their hands up and assume it doesn't work. And that's a mistake on their part, because most things online don't convert at a crazy high rate. Okay? You might be looking at 1%, 2%, maybe 5% conversion online, and that's if everything lines up proper. So do the math on this one. If you only send 20 people to your website, what are you expecting to happen if it's a 1% conversion? Nothing. That's what will be happening, a whole lot of nothing, and that's normal. But most people take that nothing and turn it into an not smart decision. They stop doing what they're doing for traffic. They stop altogether, they switch traffic sources, they start completely over, and that's what happens when they feel like nothing works. And that's also, it's an assumption on their part. So it's not that it doesn't work. It's basically that you were never given enough website traffic. You never got yourself enough website traffic to prove anything. That's the real issue. Okay. Now, like I said, in 2026, there are more ways than ever to get website traffic to your offer. But that doesn't change your fundamentals. You still need enough people landing on your site before you can even begin to understand what works. And that's where consistency comes in. Not because consistency is some magic thing, but because you doing something consistently and getting enough traffic creates volume. And volume is what you need to see what is working and what isn't. Because without getting enough website traffic, and you need a boatload of traffic at 1, 2, or 5% conversion, okay? If you don't get enough of a volume of traffic on that 1, 2, or 5%, you're just guessing. So you might as well throw spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks. It's not very efficient. Because at that point, you really don't know if it's the offer, the message, you have a lead capture page that sucks a big pickle, or if it's just the fact that not enough people have seen it yet, which brings me back to my prior point. If you only put 50 clicks to it at a 1% conversion, you can pretty much guarantee that not enough people have seen it yet. So instead of asking yourself, is this traffic source working, the better question would be, have I driven enough website traffic to this offer to even know? Because until you drive enough of a volume of traffic, and until that answer is yes, you don't really have anything to base your decision on. All you have is a small sample size, and 50 clicks at 1% is too small of a sample size to really tell you anything. So the truth about website traffic right now is kind of simple. You don't need less. You need more. You need as much as you could possibly get at this point. You need more visitors, you need more clicks, you need more information that you can take in and see what works. And that actually gives you something to work with. And once you have that, then you can pivot and adjust and improve and scale. But none of that happens without getting a large enough volume of website traffic. So again, that's the cold hard truth. of getting enough website traffic in 2026. Again, my name is Seeley Clark. I thank you kindly for walking through this video with me. If you like this video, by all means, smack that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to mash that bell icon so we don't miss any more videos from me. And until we speak again, have a great day. Bye-bye.